A warm welcome to all deck officers watching us today, and thank you for your interest in this official crewing announcement. We are currently recruiting a third officer for a RORO vessel of 32,843 gross tons operating under the Italian flag, offering a monthly salary of €3,400 net for the period served on board, while Social Security and pension fund contributions are paid in full by the owner, so the figure you receive stays entirely in your hands. The working cycle consists of 4 months on board followed by 1.5 months of leave ashore, and for the sake of full transparency, we confirm that salary is not paid during leave. 2 conditions must be met before applying, namely basic command of the Italian language for effective communication on board and possession of an Italian fiscal code, which is obligatory for employment under this flag, alongside a valid certificate of competency and current STCW certificates. If this opportunity matches your qualifications and you are available to join, please send your CV to candinagroup.com. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to welcoming you to the bridge.